Jump ball. Flip ball. Ang lakas. Outside. Checker team ball. Number 27. Pass to number 15. Nakuha ni number 32 ang bola ng Flip team. Tinira no good. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. Pass break to number 2. Number 15. Oh, what a shot. No good. Number 19. Jump shot. For 3. Inbound, number 12, pass to number 27. 1982, pass to number 22. Tinira no good. Nakuha ni number 19. Pass to number 14. Outside, checker, team ball. Team ball, team ball, team ball, team ball, team ball. Inbound, number 27. Pass to number 15, back to number 27, pass to number 1982, binigay kay number 12, pass to number 27. Bitawan ng bola, nakuha ni number 19, pass to number 24. Number 24, nabitawan ng bola outside. Checker team ball. Ay, labas. Labas. Bawal muna. Number 14, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 29 ang bola, pass to number 24. Number 24, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 27 ang checker team. Pass break to number 15 for 2 points. Rebound, number 14, pass to number 19. Number 19, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 22. Tuloy nakita. Number 14, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 19. Number 19, jump shot, no good. Pass break and number 27, nilay up for 2 points. Pass break in number 19 kay number 14. Number 14 dribble the ball. Inangat. Same ball. Outside, same ball. Ibigay number 22 ang bola. Nilay up, no good. Rebound by number 29. Pass to number 19. Robbery violation. Inbound. Baliktad na ngayon eh. Yung player na nagsasabi. Mamaya, boss. Jump shot, no good. Stop down. You shall rap. Baliktad. Inbound, number 14, pass to number 24. Number 24, binaba na ang bola. Number 24, dribble the ball. Pass to number 32. Number 32, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 22 ang bola, pass break to number 27. Number 27, no good. Nakuha ni number 24 ang bola. Number 24, dribble the ball. Pass to number 32. Binigay kay number 83. Number 3. 6 to shoot. Number 83, pumwesto na. No good. Still by number 15. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Dribble ang bola. Binigay kay number 15. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 24 ang bola ng big team. Number 24, pass to number 14, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 12, pass to number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Pass to number 22, tinira na 1982, no good. 1982 again for 2 points. Number 29, pass to number 24. 1982. Number 24, pass to number 32. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1982. Pass to number 22. Binigay kay number 27. Inangat for 2 points. Inbound, number 14. Number 14, pass to number 24. Number 24, dribble the ball. Ipinasa kay number 32 ang bola. Number 32, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 27. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Score 10-5. No good. 1982. Still by number 24. Number 24. Dribble the ball. Number 24. Sa ilalim, pinasa. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola ng checker team. Number 27, pass to number, same ball. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Inbound, number 27. Pass to number 1982, pinira for 2 points. Inbound by number 29, pass to number 14. Number 14, dribble the ball. Napitawan ng bola, nawa niya pa rin. Inangat, no good. Nawa na ng number 05, pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 27, generate na. Foul! Number 14. 14. First personal foul, second, first team foul. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. No good. Last 1 shot to Paltrow. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 27. Inbound, number 16. Pass to number 29. Back to number 16. Number 16, binabala ang bola. Number 16. Pass to number 26. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. Pass to number 05. Nilayap. No good. Nakuha ni number 19. Number 19, binabala ang bola. Pumwesto na. For 3 points. Inbound, number 12. Pass to number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Remaining time as 1 minute and 30 seconds. Score 13-10 in favor of Checker team. Number 15, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 15 ang bola. Inangat, no good again. Wala ni number 24 ng 50, pass to number 16. Number 16, sumalaksak, nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha na ni number 27 ang bola ng Chegar team. Number 27, pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 05, binigay kay number 15, inangat, foul! Number 16, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots to Paltrow. Last 55 seconds. Ang bilis ni number 19. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass break. Nakuha ni number 16 ng fifth team. Pass to, outside. The rain begins. And with you and me, let's ride on. Pass break kay number 05 kay number 1982 for 2 points. Saktong-sakto lang. Inbound, number 29, pass to number 24. Number 24, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. 25 seconds. Number 19, sumalaksak. Silangan, no good. Ako ni number 27, 20 seconds. 15 seconds for 2 points by number 05. 10 seconds. Number 24. No good. Number 05. The end of the first quarter. Ang pag-ibig sa buhay ko. Back to the ball game na po mga kapuso. Paalala po sa lahat po ng iinom sa water jug, huwag po ninyong bubuksan ng todo-todo dahil natatanggal po ang ikutan nito. Pag sumobra. Number 27, jump shot no good. Nakuha ni number 16 ang bola. Number 16. Pass to number 27. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 05. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 05. Binigay kay number 1982. Inangat for 2 points. Inbound by number 27. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pinabala ang bola. Pass to number 14, 41, jump shot for 3 points. Inbound, number 03, pass to number 27. Number 27, going down. Boys are getting down. Number 03, oh, foul! Pasabit. Delikado. Number second personal foul, first team foul. No good, 1 shot. Last 1 shot to Paltrow. 1 point. Number 29, pass to number 16. Number 16, back to pass to number 83, pass to number 41, jump shot, no good. Number 27, pass break to number 05, hindi naabutan, outside. In there, number 29, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Pass to number 83. Number 83, pinasa sa ilalim kay number 29 for 2 points. Number 03, big pass. Binigay kay number 27 ang bola. Number 27, 8 to shoot. Number 27, jump shot for 2. Number 41, iba ng bola. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 41 pa rin ang bola. Pass to number 27. Number 27, umikot pa, tinira, no good. Nakuha ni 1982, pass to number 22. Number 22, libre-libre for 2 points. Azir. Number 16, binaba ang bola. Pass to number 83. Number 83, pass to number 27. Big set. For 2. Number 27. Beijing Neneng, Secretary Neneng. Number 1982. Nakuha ni number 05 ang bola. Number 05, pass to number 1982. Inangat, no good. Nakuha ni number 83 ang bola ng Click Team. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Dito ba na ang bola? Dito tayo na ang bola. Number 83. Still with number 05. Pass break to number 1982. 1982, nilayap. Foul! Nakakuha pa ng foul. Number 29. First personal foul. Second big foul. Substitution wrap. Last one shot to Pagro. 1 point again. Number 27, binababa ang bola. Number 27, dribble the ball. Number 27, jump shot, no good. Going to number 03 ng checkout team, pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number outside. 15 ball. 15 ball. 27 different. Number 24. Dito ba na ang bola? Number 24, pass to number 27, jump shot for 2. Ayun na, nasakay na. Remaining time, plus 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Score 27-19 in favor of checkered team. Number 1982 for 2 points. Number 24, bitin na eh. Number 22. Si Jollibee, dito tayo. 1982, yan. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni 1982, tinira for 2 points. Bida ang saya. Si Jollibee. Number 20. Still the number 22. Number 22, pass to number 05. Number 05, the layup. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 05 ang bola. Number 05, tinira. No good again. Bida ang saya.
Ano daw ate ya? Mamaya tayo. Checker.
Number 19, flip the ball. Number 19, pass to number, no good, the number 24. Number 05, solo. No good. Again, for 2 points. Time out. Checker here. Okay, back to the ball game, inbound. Inbound, number 27, pass to number 26. Number 26, binaba na ang bola. Number 26, pass to number 20, number 14, binigay kay number 27, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 27, number 27. Diniretso pa for 2 points. Number 26, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 24. Number 24, jump shot, no good. Outside. Check out team ball. Inbound. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 03. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin yung number, same ball. Number 22, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 42 ang bola. Number 32. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 24 ang bola. Pinila for 2 points. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. He scored 35-21 in favor of Checker team. Still by number 27. Number 27. Dribble the ball. Ramos, pinasa kay number 26. Paes, binigay kay number 24. Kumalaksak. Foul! Who's foul up? Number 03. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 32, pass to number 16, jump shot, no good. Same ball. Last 2 minutes. Still by number 14. Pinasa kay number 24. Jump shot for 2. Inbound number 22, pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 03. Grand shot, dribble the ball. Pass to number 22. Ang taas ng pasa. Outside. Split team ball. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 16. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 32. Number 32, inangat, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 32, tinira, no good again. Nakuha rin ng number 1982 ng checker team. Binigay kay number 27, pass break kay number 22. Pursue! Inbound number 24, pass to number 14, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Number 16, pass to number 14. Number 14, dribble the ball. Mr. Rock. Number 16, 5 to shoot. No good. Let's get on the spot. 1982, pass to number 27, Ambulis. The layup for 2 points. Number 27, 2 points.
Hinabol ako ng pulis. Hinabol ako ng pulis.
Number 16, pass to number 26, Junction, no good. Rebound by number 1982, pass pa na number 22, nilayup, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 22, inangat, no good again. At 27 pala yun sa East. Pass break. Yeah, good. Okay. Back to the ball game. Mahal kayo pala. Okay. Impact. Nakita na ako. Number 24. Jump shot. No good. Warning number 11. Number 11, warning number 1982. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 27. Number 27, hit it up for 2 points. Pinalo pa ang bola ni number... Yes, pinasa yung number 19. Number 19, pass to number 27. Jump shot at 29. No good. Rebound by number 1982. Pass to number 27, pass break to number 15. Hit it up for 2 points. Number 19. Pinababa na ang bola. Number 19, dribble the ball. Pass to number 30. Ulit ni number 14. Number 14. Pagkawan ng bola, nakuha yung number 15. Pass break to number 27. Hindi naabutan. Outside. Sabi mo ko nila. Number 29. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 14. John shot and number 24, no good. Rebound by number 29, tinira, no good again. At the pick bola, nakuha ni number 27, pass break number 15. Number 15, tinira, no good. Nakuha ulit ni number 15 ang bola. Number 15, jump shot, no good. Nakuha lang ang number 13, ang 15. Pass to number 24, number 24, sumalaksak. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 11, inangat, no good. 1982, pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 22, jump shot, no good. Pinabala ang bola ni number 11, ang split team. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 1982, pass to number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Number 27, pass to number 15. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 16, please. Number 16. Alam mo, 16. Number 14, dribble the ball. Number 24, outside. Same ball. Last 5 to shoot. Last 5 to shoot. Oh, still by number 22. Number 22. The layup, no good. Only number 14, number 15. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 24. Inamat for 2 points. Remaining time, last 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 27-46 in favor of Checkered Tia. Number 16, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 29. Number 29, pinabala ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Number 30 for 2 points. Number 27, pinabala ang bola. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 15, jump shot for 2 points. Number 24 is still by number 27. Number 27, ang liksi. Diniretso na, pero pinasa kay number 1982 in the for 2 points. Rebound, number 14, pass to number 29. Number 29, binawa ang bola. Oh, nakuha ni number 1982 ang bola. Number 1982, jump shot for 2 points. Number 14, binababa ang bola. Number 14, dribble the ball. Simulaksak, pero pinasa pa outside. Symbol! Time out! To lead field. To the ball game. Inbound. Bring it back. Oh, 9 to shift. 9 to shift. Number 19 jump shot. No good. Split team pa rin ang may hawak ng bola. Nakuha ni number 16. Pass to number 24. Number 24, pass to number 19, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1982, pass break to number 27. Binigay kay number 16, tinira. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 27. Number 16 again, not for 2 points. Mahusay, mahusay. Number 16, pinaba na ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 19. Pass to number 29. Inangat. No good. Rebound by number 1982. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Mabilis. Nilayap. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pinasa pero na outside. Number 82. Check out team ball. Number 15. Jump shot, no good. Kulang ni number 24 ng split team. Pass to number 32. Number 32. Jump shot, no good. Number 32 again for 2 points. Inbound. Pass to number 27. Wait, number 16. Jump, foul, number 33. First personal foul. First team foul. Again, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 29, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound by number 12, pass to number 27. Number 27, binababa na ang bola. Pass to number 16. Number 16, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1982. Foul. Who's fouled up? 29. Second personal foul, second team foul. 1 point. Last one shot to Paltrow. 1 point again. Submission, yes. Submission, good. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 47 seconds. He scored 33-55 in favor of Jacob Tia. Number 27, dribble the ball. Pass to number 19. Number 19, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin yung number 29, number 19. Natatig ang bola. Nakuha pa rin yung number 19 ang bola. Nawala. Nakuha lang yung number 12. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 1982. Pinigay kay number 16 for 2 points. Ganda ng pasahan niya. Inbound number 29. Pass to number 16. Number 16, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 32. Oh, still by number 12. Pass to number 27. Number 27. 0 points. Time out. Philippines. The Tigabina. Ascenso. Back to the ball game. Number 16, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 14. Jump shot. No good. Sugar team ball. Inbound, number 16. Pass back in number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Number 27. Pass to number 12. Binigay kay number 15. Jump shot. For 2. Number 14. Clear and no good. Nakuha ni number 15, 16 ang bola. Number 16, pass to number 03. Number 03, binigay kay number 27. Number 27, pass to number 15. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 29. Pass to number 27. Pass break to number 16. Binigay kay number 42. Inangat. No good. Number 42 again. Inangat again. Foul. Number 12. First personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time last 1 minute. 1 minute. He scored 34-61 in favor of Checker Deep Hill. No good. Winning number 27, pass break to number 16. Number 16, big shot, in and out for 2 points. Last 50 seconds. Number 16, pass to number 27. Number 27, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 12 ang bola. Pass to number 03. Number 03. Dribble the ball. Tumira ng spot. No good. Remaining time, last 33 seconds. Ginawa ang bola ni number 16. Last 25 seconds. Number 32 for 2 points. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Jump shot, no good. Substitution rep. Still by number 15, pass number 16, Dana. Oh, bye, sure. King. Patrick Giboldi. Number 15, Pinira. For 2 points! Grabe, one shot. Binababa ng bola ni number 16, ay number 24, sorry. Number 24, pass to number 41. Jump shot. For... Ano rin? For 3. For 2 points. Number 05, dribble the ball. Number 05, pass to number 22, no good. Rebound by number 19, pass to number 16, number 16. Dinelay na. Oh, foul. Number 20. Huh? Number 16. Alam na rin. Number 16. First personal foul. First team foul. No good. Ako ni number 19 ang bola ng Pit Team. Number 19, jump shot. Oh, 3 points. Inbound, number 16, pass to number 05. Number 05, binababa ang bola, pass to number 15. Still by number 16. Number 16, foul. Nabitawan na bola, nakuha ni number 05 ng Checkout Team. Number 05, pass to number 15. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 41. Ano ba? Pass to number 19. Number 19. Jump shot for 3 points. Pambihira. I-check ko yan. Number 22. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound by number 41. Pass to number 19. Number 19, pinababa ng bola. Number 19, pass to number 24. Number 24, dribble the ball. Number 24, pass to number 19. Nabitawan ng bola, nakuha ng number 05. Number 05, pass break to number 15. Number 15, inangat. No good. Rebound pa rin number 15, pero tinira, no good. Pass to number 22. Tinira for 2 points. Inbound by number 16. Pass to number 24. Number 24, pinababa ang bola. Pinasa ulit kay number 16. Pass to number 41, jump shot. For 3 points. Number 16. Pass to number 05. Number 05, dribble the ball. Pass to number 16, jump shot. No good. Same! Outside. Same ball. Inbound, number 16. Pass to number 22, jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time, last 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Score 48-73 in favor of Checkout Team. Number 16, pass to number 41. Number 41, dribble the ball. Number 41, jump shot. No good. Kuha ni number 05 ang bola. Pass fake to number, oh! Sa ball ng Bob the Knight. Outside. Inbound. Substitution rep. Number 16, binaba na ang bola. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 03, pass to number 05. Oh, foul by number 16. Number 16, third personal foul. First team foul is brought to you by Robas. Kapag single ka, mag-Robas ka. Siguradong magtatagal ka sa banyo. Robas. Talagang tatagal ka sa banyo, mag-Robas ka. Read the shot. Number 22, no good. One and number 41. Pass to number 32. Pass to number 24. Number 24, pass to number 19. Nilay up for 2 points. Number 05, heba ng bola. to number 22. Binigay kay number 16. Pay shot. Number 16, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 03. Bitawan ng bola. Nakuha pa rin ni number 03. Number 22 na. Pass to number 16. Scatter na. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 19 ang bola. Ng pick team. Number 19. Binabalaan na ang bola. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Sinira. No good. Number 19 again for 2 points. Time out. Time out. Checker team. Remaining time last 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 52-74 in favor of Checker team. Inbound number 27, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Pass to number 03, pass to number 27. Number 27, turn to shoot. Pass to number 16. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, pass to number 41. Baliktara. Number 41. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 24. Jump shot. No good. Going number 27 ang bola. Number 27. Number 27. Pinasa kay number 03. Tinira. No good. Kapit. Nakuha naman ni number 04 pero dinaabutan. Outside. Number 41 going down. Bones are getting down. Number 1, 3 with the ball. Jump shot. No good. Inbound, number 16, pass to number 27. Number 27, binababa ang bola. Time to shoot. Pass to number, number 14, pass break to number 24. Number 24, diretso na, foul. Counted. Number 05. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Oh, now the end is near, and so okay. 1 point. The final quarter. And down, number 16, pass to number 03. Number 03, pass to number 27. Number 27, Corpus. Jopring Corpus. Time to shoot. Ay pasa kay, ayun, nakuha ni number 16. Take shot. Foul. Number 41. First personal foul. Second team foul is brought to you by Katsalis. Siguradong tanggal lang yung galis sa Katsalis. At tubong mahaba, mataba, matigas. Yan ang PVC ng Pinas. Mahalagang paalala na ang shabu ay hindi gamot at di dapat gagutin pang gamot ang ulit na sakit. 1 point. Number 16. Pinaba ang bola. Sumalaksak pero pinasa kay number 24. Nakikat pa. Number 24, pass to number 16. Binigay kay number 41, jump shot. No good. 14 points. Number 03, remaining time, last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. The score 57-76 in favor of Checker team. Number 27, time to shoot. Pass to number 16, binigay kay number 982, steal by number 41. Pero nakuha ni number 05 ang bola ng Checker team. Number 05, pass to number 1982, inangat, no good. Rebound by number 14, pass break to number 16. Number 16, nilayab, negative. Rebound by number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Nagkakaubusan na po. 12 to shift. 7 to shift. No good. Nagkira ng spot. Rebound by number 41. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Diretso na for 2 points. In down, number 05. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 05. Still by number 29. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 29. Number 29, jump shot for 2 points. Number 05, pass to number 27. Corpus, pass break to number 1982. 1982, binigay kay number 03, pass to number 1982, jump shot for 2 points. Fired out. Lead field. Back to the ball game. Okay, inbound. 14 shot clock. Inbound, number 24, pass to number 16, pass to number 24, pinigay. Oh, outside! Napasahan ng kalaban sa bench. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds. Number 27, yawa ng bola. Number 27, dribble the ball. Last 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute for 2 points by number 27. Number 24, pass to number 16. 14! Last 40 seconds. Number 05, pass to number 03. Tapik, outside, the rain begins. Last 35 seconds. Inbound, number 1982, pass to number 05, binigay kay number 27. Number 27, pinasa kay number 12. Number 12, pinasa naman kay number 05. Tinira naman ng number 05, no good. Last 20 seconds. Number 19, tumira na naman ng spike, no good. Rebound by number 12, pass to number 27. 10 seconds. Ayan na po, hinagis na po ang puting panyo sa gitna ng labanan. And the winner is...